Hi, my name is Kyle Scoresby. I'm an Arizona divorce and family law attorney. This video is going to talk about Arizona Revised Statute 25-318D. This is a specific statute in Arizona that covers the situation where people get divorced and they realize afterwards that they've omitted assets from the divorce decree. And this can happen whether it's a divorce by settlement or a divorce at a court trial. Sometimes assets just don't get covered. Maybe after the divorce is final, a spouse realizes, oh, there's one more IRA account that we had forgotten about that we had from years ago. Or maybe there's a piece of real estate even that has been sitting there, a piece of vacant land in another state that they'd sort of forgotten about. And this statute covers that situation. Whenever an asset is left out of a divorce decree, this statute provides that that asset, assuming it was acquired during the marriage, it continues to be owned by both parties as tenants in common. That means that each party is possessed of an undivided 1/2 interest in that property. So what happens in this scenario is any asset that's omitted is still subject to being divided in a later court action. Now there's some dispute in Arizona as to where you bring that action. If both parties knew about the asset and intentionally left it out, that court action to divide that asset probably has to be brought in a separate civil case, not back under the same case as the divorce, but a separate civil case. But if an asset was unintentionally omitted, under Arizona law, that probably can be brought back under the same case number as the divorce, and that asset can be divided. What's really important here as a practice tip is that you never just assume that because an account is in your name that you're going to get that account. I tell all of my clients, we need to list everything in this divorce decree. Everything you think is yours and that you're supposed to get, you need to tell me about that so we can list it in the divorce decree as an asset that goes to you. If we don't list it, then after you're divorced, your ex-spouse is going to be able to come back and seek half of that asset.